ASUS ROG Scope 296 Wireless Gaming Keyboard Review. The ASUS ROG Strix Scope 296 Wireless Gaming Keyboard is a compact and sleek addition to the ROG lineup, offering gamers the freedom of wireless connectivity without sacrificing performance. Its tankless design saves space while still providing essential gaming keys, and the customizable RGB lighting adds a touch of personalization. Performance-wise, the ROG Strix Scope 296 delivers responsive and accurate keystrokes thanks to ASUS's proprietary ROG NX mechanical switches. The wireless connectivity options, including 2.4 GHz RF and Bluetooth, ensure seamless connectivity and compatibility with a variety of devices. The keyboard's impressive battery life of up to 36 hours on a single charge is a definite plus for gamers who enjoy long gaming sessions. Positive points: sleek and compact design with customizable RGB lighting, responsive and accurate keystrokes with ROG NX mechanical switches, impressive battery life of up to 36 hours on a single charge, dual connectivity options 2.4 GHz RF and Bluetooth for flexibility, intuitive customization options. Negative points: higher price point compared to wired counterparts. Lack of numeric keypad may be a drawback for some users. Overall, the ROG Strix Scope 296 wireless gaming keyboard offers a premium gaming experience with its sleek design, responsive performance, and wireless convenience.